Buy XDC, XDC Network. XDC is the native cryptocurrency of the XDC Network, a blockchain platform designed for enterprise use, including global trade and finance applications. Buying XDC requires choosing the right platform, ensuring secure transactions, and understanding storage options. 1. What is XDC Network? XDC Network is a hybrid blockchain focused on international trade, finance, and decentralized applications. XDC tokens are used for transactions, staking, and smart contracts within the network. 2. Where to buy XDC? XDC tokens can be purchased from cryptocurrency exchanges, centralized platforms like Qcoin, Bitrue, Gate.io, and Bitfinex. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, peer-to-peer platforms supporting XDC. Crypto wallets. Some digital wallets allow direct purchases of XDC using fiat currencies. Third, payment methods for buying XDC. Fiat currencies. Buy using USD, EUR, or other local currencies via bank transfers, credit.debit cards, or PayPal, if supported. Other cryptocurrencies, exchange Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or stablecoins, USDT for XDC. 4. Steps to buy XDC. Choose an exchange. Register on a platform that supports XDC trading. Verify your account. Complete KYC verification if required. Deposit funds, add fiat currency, or transfer crypto to your exchange wallet. Place an order. Buy XDC using market or limit orders. Transfer to a wallet. Move XDC to a secure wallet for safekeeping. 5th, storing XDC safely. Hot wallets. Software wallets like Guarda Wallet, Trust Wallet, or the official XDC wallet. Cold wallets. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor offer maximum security for long-term storage. 6. Things to consider before buying. Market volatility. XDC's price can fluctuate, so monitor the market before purchasing. Exchange fees. Be aware of transaction fees, withdrawal charges, and trading costs. Regulations. Check local cryptocurrency regulations to ensure compliance when buying XDC. 7. Using XDC after purchase. Staking. Earn rewards by staking XDC on supported platforms. Payments. Use XDC for fast, low-cost cross-border payments. Investments. Hold XDC as a digital asset for potential future growth. Decentralized applications, DApps. Participate in various financial and trade-related dApps on the XDC network. 8. Best times to buy XDC. Market dips. Purchase during price corrections for potential long-term gains. Before major updates, blockchain upgrades, partnerships, or network developments often boost demand. During high trading volume, ensures better liquidity and lower spreads when buying. Buying XDC offers exposure to a growing blockchain network focused on trade and finance. Choosing a reputable exchange, securing your tokens in a reliable wallet, and staying updated on market trends will help you invest in XDC safely and efficiently.